Thanks to all the living beings living in the world, and thanks to all the human beings living in the midst of all other lives. Please listen to this video fully. Your soul will scream with joy. The Almighty has created me to give divine treatment to you with the blessings of the ancient Siddhas and saints. This is Shiva Kural from Irai Maruthuvam. Is God there? Man is asking. Is God there or not? Always, this is $1 million question. To those who ask this question, what we ask is just for understanding. If it is proved that God is there, what emotions are you going to show? In case it's proved that God is not there, then what are the emotions that you are going to show? Because when a man takes birth, he has to experience 9 types of emotions: love, laughter, sorrow, anger, courage, fear, disgust, wonder, and peace. Okay, these are the 9 types of emotions that we do keep experiencing. A farmer, after he sows seeds, when he thinks that there is no sign of rain, when rain comes, he will feel happy, elated. When you have a doubt if you will get a job, and then if you get the job, out of 50 people you have got the job, and that makes you proud and happiness increases. If you don't get the job, you will feel sad. In the first delivery, when a child is born, as soon as the mother sees the child, it will be blissful and ecstatic. When the infant is healthy and the mother and child are doing well, and when the husband gets this news, there will be a joyful celebration. The whole family will be happy. If in any house there is a death, there will be sadness in that place. Like this, we go through various emotions. A man lives with all these emotions. So, everywhere there will be people who say God is there. There will also be those who say that there is no God. If it is proved to believers that God is there, they will feel happy and proud. Similarly, if it is proved to non-believers that God is not there, they will feel happy and proud. These feelings you are experiencing from birth, isn't it? Can you feel anything other than this? If it is proved that God is there or otherwise, can you show any new emotion? No, isn't it? A great man says that a man or a woman who believes in this body, this soul, are theists. A man or a woman who does not believe in this body, this soul, are atheists. Just because they go to temples or churches or mosques, he does not call them theists. If a person believes in himself, he is a theist, he says. One who goes to temple, church or mosque but does not believe in himself is an atheist, he says. A Jain saint has said this. So how should we understand this? This does not mean that he is against theism. You are your own medicine. Follow the philosophy of I. He has said this in a subtle way. He has said in the secret in a subtle manner. So listen to this carefully. 2 friends came to Irai Maruthuvam in great haste. Looked like they had a heated argument. As soon as they came, they said, "Sir, you tell us." I say, "God is there." He says, "No." "Sir, you have to answer. That's why we have come," they said. "Oh, I was hungry. I was planning to have my food at that time. But okay, they have come at this time. So I invited them to have food too." They said, "No, tell us this. Is God there or not?" They asked. This happened really. Out of the 2, I asked one person, "Is there hair on your head or not?" He said, "Yes, I have hair." "Yes." Then I see his friend, and Is there hair on your head? I asked. There is no hair on my head. I am bald, he said. So, the person who had hair on his head said he had hair. The one who had no hair said no. Okay, I said, let's talk while eating. Let us have food first. And we sit to eat. Food was tasty. The two of them started eating fast. I kept seeing. While they kept eating, I interrupted and started talking. How is the food? I asked. It's good. It's very tasty. They said. They thanked me. There is no problem in the mouth, is there? Did the mouth accept the food for both of you? Or did the mouth refuse? I asked. They did not understand. Then I said, that is, I gave you healthy hair, but you wasted it. All your hair has fallen. So you don't have hair now. So I will not open the mouth for you. I will not give guarantee for your food. Did your mouth say this and refuse to open? I asked. No, but I don't understand, he said. That is, the person who had hair said that God is there. The one who did not have hair said that God is not there. Just because he said that he had hair, the mouth did not open more for him. For the person who said that there is no God, the mouth did not refuse to open. Both of them ate well. You must understand clearly, is God there or not? This question arises in a person's mind due to a deep-rooted fear. That's why I am explaining this in detail here. Because one man says that God is there, he does not give more. And when the other person says that God is not there, he does not punish him. Please understand that first. Be clear and come out of it. The supreme power of the universe, nature's truth, God particle, God's philosophy is the same for everyone. It does the same for everyone. It does not take revenge. It has got great compassion. It has got great mercy. Everyone thinks that only for believers of God, good things happen. And for who say God is not there, bad things happen. God cannot be like that. Nature has great love, has great mercy. Please come out of this fright. We are driving a car or some vehicle. After 3 kilometers, someone stops us and says, brother, you have traveled 3 kilometers. Okay, in 3 kilometers, how many signals have you passed by? We will think about it and probably we may give the answer, maybe 6 or 7 signals, we may say. But if he asks, how many times did you apply the brake? How will you look at him? You will think he is mad. Your car, your two-wheeler, your leg, your body, your mind, your intelligence, your wisdom. But in 3 kilometers, how many times we applied the brake? We don't know. Yes, we do not know. உன்னை அறிந்தால் நீ உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தில் போராடலாம். If you know yourself, you can fight in the world. Now, if everyone gets the answer for the question whether God is there or not, the word struggle will get dissolved in the philosophy of love and philosophy of ahimsa. Then, if you realize who you are, if you know yourself, you can be merciful and that will be your stand. So in the continuation, in the second part, the solution and the answer are there, friends. So see the videos regularly. To who have supported us till date, to those good and warm-hearted people, with millions and millions of thanks. My journey continues with you all. Shivakural from Irai Maruthuvam.